it's no use. I can see the ocean, but I just can't imagine what it sounds like. Seagulls, waves, what do they sound like?
When? Where are you?
Oh no! Grandma! I better get down before she sees. Ugh. Ow!
When? Are you all right?
Yeah.
Are you hurt?
No.
Look here, you have a cut.
It's fine, Grandma.
What were you doing up there? Honestly, Wen, I know it's difficult, but please try and stay close to the house. You know how worried I get leaving you on your own. So please stay inside while I head to town.
Oh, then why don't I go with you?
Absolutely not.
Hmm.
Stay safe, dear. I say this because I love you, and I want what's best for you.
I know. I love you too.